Hi, and welcome to the Library 246 Introduction to Doodle.com tutorial. Doodle helps finding suitable dates and times for group events, but it also is a very flexible tool, and it will also allow you to do general polling as well. Before we get to the tutorial for the day, I would just wanted to show you a few of the features that Doodle does have that you might not be aware of. Calendar and address book. This is a great tool that allows you to connect your doodle to the different calendars that you might be using. The Meet Me page is great. You can create a calendar on the internet that shows other people your availability and then when they can perhaps suggest a meeting time with you. So if you are logged into your account and you click on My Doodle, it will take you to the two main features of Doodle, schedule an event. This could be extremely helpful if, say, your group is trying to decide what times to meet to practice your collaborate. And go ahead and fill in any of this optional information, location, description. You'll want to enter in your name and your email address and then click on Next. Here's where you can choose what days your group would be thinking about meeting. Say you're trying to decide what time on Wednesday you all can meet. So then you'll just go ahead and put in some times. Could be just like that. If you need more times, click on Add Further Time Slots. It's important also to enable time zone support because, as you all know, we're all over the country. And then we'll just go ahead and click on Next. So we're just going to do a basic poll today. So we just need to click on Next for that. And here's where you need to send an invitation to your group members. So you want to type in all the email addresses here. I'm just going to type in my own email address. Okay, and then you'll want to make sure that I want to receive an invitation is also checked so that you too can participate in the poll. And then if you want to track who you invited and who has not answered the poll, go ahead and click that box. And then you'll just click Send and Finish. And then to view the poll, just click here. And this is what it looks like. So say I've answered your group will come in here, they'll click on the link in their email and they'll come into this page and they'll click on the times that they're available. Say I'm only available at 7 p.m. So I'll click Save. And then it turns to a page like this where it's going to count the answers. And just really quickly before we leave the tutorial today, I wanted to show you the other great feature of Doodle, which is make a choice. So not only can you decide on the times for your group, but say you're trying to decide on what tool to use for your group. You can also do that. So say you want to choose between Facebook and Twitter. You can add those in and click Next. And again, just doing a basic poll. And same thing, you just need to send an invitation to your group members. You want to make sure to include all of your teammates, and you can also import your address book if you wanted, and we'll click on Finish. And the poll will look similar to the one that we did for the times. So now it's just checking a box. Say I want Facebook over Twitter, so I'm going to check that box, and again, it'll just keep a tally. So I hope that my introduction to Doodle.com helps you in your group project.